Welcome to MIT ADT podcast. Today we have with us Mr. Harshad Rai Sone, Associate Professor and Head of Department of Head of Planning, School of Architecture. So the first question is, what is so special about the Head of Planning at SOA at MIT ADT University?
So the Department of Planning is very unique, running a very unique course that is Masters of Urban and Regional Planning, where we deal with city as well as rural area planning, where it is the need of time because India is going under tremendous urbanization and we are changing our dimensions, we're expanding our cities and we require to have a new planned cities, new areas and various regions needs to be planned like economic corridors, freight management, everything needs to be done very carefully. And to look at this opportunity and growing India, we need to have such kind of course. And MIT ADT University being a pioneer university, I think this is the best platform to have such kind of course.
Could you explain about the course in detail?
The Department of Planning runs an Master of Urban and Regional Planning for 2 years. It's a full-time course where we have 4 dedicated semesters. Each semester goes on increasing its levels. The first level is of area development where we do local area planning. The second semester majorly deals with the development plan where we do city planning as well as town planning schemes. And the third semester majorly deals with the regional planning aspects. So the scale goes on increasing and the last semester majorly deals with the dissertation. So all other courses, they are actually very well linked with the studios which are planned for each semester.
What is the learning environment at MIT ADT University?
So MIT fosters, I think, very innovative ideas which are part of our domain also. Because for example, if we take Swachh Bharat Mission, it has multiple modules, multiple aspects, multiple softwares and multiple methodologies. So like that, we develop our students, the tendency, the attitude and the learning environment we provide at MIT University through the Department of Planning to the students.
Thank you so much, sir. It was indeed a great conversation.